wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bike desks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Perfect for getting a little movement in at the office, the Vive cycle is a simple and lightweight device that folds up to a compact size when not in use. It's best for users with short legs, and though it does get hot with long-term use, it's fine for moderate workouts. It doesn't cost very much, however it's not the most durable choice, and it tends to slide around the floor. At number 9, the Sunny Health and Fitness Recumbent has a large, comfortable seat that doesn't feel like a typical exercise bike and adjusts at multiple points. While the front of the base has built-in wheels, it weighs over 90 pounds, so it's still difficult to move. The sturdy tray holds up to 20 pounds, and it includes a heart rate monitor, but it takes up a lot of space. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The spacious desktop of the Lifespan Unity leaves plenty of room for larger laptops, plus a mousepad and even a separate monitor. Its seat can be moved up and down, and the pedals are bidirectional, allowing you to work multiple muscle groups. It features a 400-pound capacity and storage hooks on the sides. However, the resistance is not adjustable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike desks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a built-in tablet holder helps the fitdesk 3.0 accommodate the various devices you might use while working. Its armrests have padded massage rollers, and it has a wide beach cruiser-style seat, though not everyone finds it comfortable for long periods of time. It comes with the resistance bands for arm workouts and a sturdy metal frame, but the assembly instructions are poor. Moving up our list to number 6. The Wahoo kickr has a sturdy surface that's the perfect height for use with a bicycle or as a standing desk. It's somewhat costly for something so simple, but many consider its quality, construction, and versatility to be worth the price. It allows for an easy push-button adjustment and has a textured non-slip work area. However, of course, you must provide your own bike. Halfway up our list at number 5. The space-saving Sunny Health and Fitness Mini allows you to stay fit anywhere, making it great for physical therapy at home or exercise in the workplace. Those with very long legs, though, may find their knees hit the underneath of the desk too easily. It supports up to 220 pounds and comes in at a budget-friendly price, plus it stays in place during use. At number 4, the versatile exerpeutic exerwork 1000 offers the comfort of a semi-recumbent setup plus space-saving conveniences. It features a full-size cushioned backrest, a wide and thick seat for extended use, and an LCD screen to help keep track of distance and calories burned. It boasts a 3-way adjustable tabletop angle and durable foam-covered handles. It's designed for users up to 6'3" tall. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. In addition to its wide and sturdy base, the Magnetrainer ER Mini is quiet enough that it won't disturb your co-workers. It boasts a greater resistance range than most other magnetic models and can also be placed on a table for working on arm strength. It includes a built-in speed and distance monitor, adjustable Velcro foot straps, and a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike desks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're looking for a way to get fit at work while using your existing office furniture, the deskcycle exerciser might be worth a try. The unobtrusive design and ultra-quiet operation allow you to focus and won't attract the attention of your colleagues. Velcro straps hold your feet in place, and it has wide legs for stability. There's no desk included though. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the flexispot deskcise Pro combines traditional exercise equipment with a height-adjustable work surface. The pneumatic lever makes seat adjustments simple, and it comes with swiveling casters, so you can move it from room to room easily. It's available in a white or black finish with 8 resistance settings. No tools are needed for assembly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike desks, or simply click beneath this video.